Hi there. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to obtain FTP software and install it, specifically Filezilla. So I'm going to use Google Chrome as a browser for all of these videos. So I'm just going to click on my start menu here. It's under G for Google. There it is there. Click on that. And I'm going to type in Filezilla in the address bar. The very first result is Filezilla. I'll click on that and I'll scroll down and choose Download Filezilla Client, all platforms. And I'm using a 64-bit version of Windows. I'll quickly show you how I can see that stuff. If you just type in, if you click on your start menu and click on the little gear over here for settings. And then here, let's resize that so you can see it. And then I choose System. And then down at the bottom here, About. And then over the side here, device specifications, we have system type 64-bit operating system. So I'm grabbing the 64-bit. If you have the 32-bit, download and install the 32-bit version. So I'll choose that. And then I have to maximize this so you can see it. It allows you to choose which version. I just want the free version. So I'll choose just the plain old Filezilla here. It asks me if I want to keep the file. In the status bar, I'll choose Keep. And if I click on my little arrow here and choose Show in Folder, I can see the downloads here. I've already tried it a couple of times to prepare for this video, so I'm just going to grab this one here. Any of them is fine if you download it more than once. So I'll just double click on that. And I agree. It's asking me if I want to install additional security software. I'm going to decline. I already have enough. And choose Next. Anyone who uses this computer should have access. And I'm going to add a desktop icon so that I don't have to look in my start menu every time I want to fire up Filezilla. I'll choose Next, 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 Install. Installs the software. And I'll leave that start checked so it'll launch the software, and choose Finish. I'm done with my file manager. I'll just close that. And I'm just going to quickly connect to my host. So those of you who are taking my Langara course, the web server host name, so you need 3 pieces of information to connect. The host name is mylinux.langara.ca. Username is the same username that you use to access most areas of Langara. This is provided to you by IT, so it'll be your first initial, last name plus a couple of digits. I don't have the couple of digits because I'm an instructor. And then your password that you've created for yourself. And I'll choose Quick Connect. So that connects me to my Linux at Langara. This is the remote version here. I'll just quickly give you an overview of this. You see I have a public underscore HTML directory or folder there. That directory is for anything you want to share with the World Wide Web. So if I double click on that, you'll see that I have a bunch of stuff I've already added in previous courses. So that's basically downloading, installing Filezilla, and quickly connecting to a remote host. Thanks so much for watching.